Top 3 best buy and sell indicators on Tradingview.com, and the best part is all of them are free to use. For the first indicator, let's go to Indicators tab and search for Luxy, and you will see indicator Luxy Super Duper Super Trend Predictor. Click at your chart. After you add the indicator, you will see buy and the sell signals all over to your chart. And the right bottom corner, there is something interesting called the Super Duper Super Trend Dashboard, and you can see that the success rate of this indicator is 80%, which is, I know, fascinating. So what this indicator does is quite simple, right? So you can see here the average accuracy is 48%. 48% seems like a low, but if you get 1 to 2 hour trades, it's not that bad at all. Now let's go to about this script section to learn more about this indicator, because this has a lot of features. So you can see that it's also doing the trend analysis, trend statistical duration, right? So you can understand how many bars this trend continues on which percentage. It is quite useful and quite easy to use. Okay, so it gives you a lot of things like the structure, the type, the flip, the learning, and you can see the volume, the volatility. You get all the stuff you need. I'm currently trading gold futures and my time frame is 1 minute. You can see that we are getting this trend analysis and this buy signal, sell signal, as well as the cloud over here. I highly suggest you put it on your chart and see if it is a good fit for you or not. Remember, this dashboard is updating real time, so you can check regularly. Now let's go to settings for the super duper trend, and you can see the trading style preset is auto. Okay, if you want, you can change. Like always, do not afraid to change. And the dashboard, I want to see the super trend. I using it on the default settings, but if you want to change something, you should start with the ATR length. You can go to 15, and the multiplier, you can just play around. You can make it 2.5, and you can backtest these settings easily. Okay, what you want to change is the super trend section, and plus you can play around with the volume section, and other settings you can just copy and paste it. There is also a scalping mode. Like I said, there is a lot of features. Just go and play around with it. Now let's go to indicators tab for the second time to add our second indicator. It is called the Hull Suite. This is one of my all-time classic, and I really like this indicator a lot. And now I will show you why. This indicator is simple, okay? And it's plotting this red line and the green line. And what it gives you is when you get the red, you will take a short. When you get the green, you will take a long. But there is a catch. The catch is you cannot use this indicator alone. You need some confirmation. You can either use the Donchian trend ribbon, you can use the moving average, the simple moving average, whatever you want. Let's go to settings for this indicator, and you can see that the source is closed, the hull variation is HEMA. This is the best settings. You can play around with the length here. If you want to go for the scalping, you can drop it as like 35 or like 30, 25. You can play around. Never ever afraid to play with your settings, okay? So if the author not saying you that default settings is made for 1 minute and you're gonna trade 1 minute, go and play with it, okay? Just go, relax, take your time, do your back test. Never ever use these indicators without back test. Let's go to about this script section to go over very quickly to understand what is going on here. So this indicator, as you can understand, is responsive and smooth moving average created by Alan Hull in 2005. Okay, so minimal lag. We can say that there is no lag. It comes and updating with the candle closure, which is what you want. All right, so it's a quite powerful, it's quite popular indicator. Just add it and see yourself. Let's go to indicators for the one last time, and this is one of my favorite in 2026. Let's go to indicators tab and search for trend duration forecast from the chart prime. Click that to your chart, and you can see on the right bottom corner that how many minutes or bars the trend goes like that. So if it says the 49, the bullish trend continued 49 bars, which is at the moment 49 minutes, okay? And this indicator will give you buy signal and the sell signal. And with the help of this dashboard, you can understand, roughly have an idea that when I go short, I need to close in 20 minutes, because on average, a short is continuous 22 bars, which is a 22 minute in this scenario, right? It is quite helpful. And for the settings, just go it and smoothing length, what you want to change, plus the trend direction sensitivity. You can play around, okay? Like I said, do not afraid. You can just go and you can play and you hit the OK button and you will see yourself. If it gives better signals, just keep it, okay? And remember to check your settings every week, because every week market changes volatility, market changes speed, and when you have a news in that day, you might want to play around with it. But default settings are sweet spot on this indicator. I highly suggest you edit on your chart and see yourself. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here, and before you leave, hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, see you soon.